Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake pop truffles updated. Start by crumbling cooled cake into fine crumbs and measure equal parts cake and frosting by volume. Use a large bowl and a sturdy spoon, then chill the mixture for 30 minutes to firm up. Roll tablespoon-sized balls, chill again, dip in melted chocolate, and decorate while coating is still wet. Work quickly but gently to keep shiny coating and enjoy experimenting with flavor. Gather 3 cups of crumbled cake, 1 cup of frosting, 12 ounces of chocolate for dipping, and assorted sprinkles or nuts for decoration. Choose cake flavors that pair well with your coating and consider mixing in extracts or spices for extra depth. Pre-measure items and line a tray with parchment for easy handling, then set up a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl for chocolate melting, stirring frequently to avoid burning. Keep hand temperature low by chilling the truffle balls before dipping to prevent melting or sagging of the coating. Use a fork or dipping tool and tap gently to remove excess chocolate, then spin to create a smooth finish before adding decorations. Store finished cake pop truffles upright in a foam block or cup to set completely, then refrigerate briefly before serving to improve texture and flavor. Enjoy sharing them as party treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.